Who says Halloween has to be scary?
Everybody but you.
This is killing her.
Something's dying.
Court is now in session. Counselor, are you ready to deliver closing arguments?
Yes, Your Honor.
Well, let's get... Wait, where is Holly?
Sorry, Your Honor. My bus was late.
Counselor?
Hey.
Proceed.
Oh, okay.
my God.
Ladies and gentlemen of the jury, the details of this case are complicated and technical, but they have a tragic and profound effect on the victim.
Did fell down?
Pensions were squandered, lives were destroyed, and careers, once so promising, were now ruined.
So because of this marriage, you're basically third cousins with Shakira? I mean, we don't get the prestigious, but it's fun. Oh, Dios mío, what is this?
I'm Prince Charming.
I can see that.
I got Joe a donkey costume, and I got Stella cat ears. I just hope she doesn't chase herself.
Because she's a dog.
I also found out that Princess Fiona is supposed to wear a tiara, so here you go. And a whole bucket full.
You look so handsome. It's like those pictures of you in the Navy. I have an idea. Why don't we put Joe down for a nap, and then we go and take a nap, and not the one we sleep?
I got it. I'm in.